What's up guys, welcome to my channel, welcome to another video. So in this video I will be telling you how to adjust your gear lever. Really simple to do. You only need two keys and you will need to loosen these two bolts over here, this one and this one over here. Really simple to do. I just bought some new boots, that's why I need to get my lever a bit higher. So you loosen this one here, then to loosen the back one you need two keys, one to hold and the other one to loosen. So here you go, really simple. Then you will spin this lever here in the middle and you will see that the gear lever is moving, you see. So now you have to decide whether way you want to go with your lever. For me it's a bit high, so I will leave it like this. Then I go to the top of the bike and I will try if it's okay. Well, it needs a bit more. I think will be good right now, but let me try with the boots on. Yeah, now it's comfortable. It's right there. Yeah, now it's okay. So now you just need to tighten this. Okay. And the one here in the back. One key to hold and the other key to tighten. There you go. Really simple to do. If you need to adjust your gear lever, you already know how to do this simple job. Thank you so much.